we're gonna make a fruit bowl on the beach while I preach about why it helps as well. Hey, we're making a fruit bowl on the beach today, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're already fucking with the vibe. So we're gonna make a fruit bowl on the beach while I preach about why it helps as well. So look, man, the first thing that helped change my whole mindset on changing my life health-wise, taking better care of my body, which actually led to me taking care of myself mentally and spiritually, because it allows you to, but we're gonna get into all that. So first thing, the first mental thing that really helped change my life health-wise was eat to live, not live to eat. So, you know, we're in America and we've been living to eat for the longest. And living to eat is eating too much, eating a bunch of bullshit, just basically just overindulgence. It's called gluttony, which is supposed to be a sin or whatever. So we getting into so basically, man, like, you know how they be like, oh yeah, eat until you full, make sure you finish your plate just down to third. Like, you don't need to overstuff yourself like that, because like anytime I was eating regular, I'm talking about the snacks, the bullshit, the candy. I was ever big on juice and soda, but juice, soda, fried foods, fast foods, like all that type shit, man. It helped. Instead of helping with my peace, instead of helping with my mental health, it actually made it worse. Your stomach and your gut is your second brain at the end of the day. You treat this right, it's gonna treat you right. But if you treat this bad by feeding it bullshit that it can't process, like we in America, there's a lot of chemicals and a lot of bullshit they put in our food that our body cannot process. So you putting a lot of stress on your body every single day. Your body's fighting for its life while you think everything's sweet. And again, all that, it leads to fatigue. It leads to you're not supposed to get the itis after you eat something. You're not supposed to get tired, sleepy, and lazy. That's when you eat bullshit. When you eating electric foods, when you eating life foods, when you eat H3O2, which is a living water that's already in your body. It gives you energy, it gives you life, it gives you that mental clarity that you've been wanting, which means to support peace. You know, I see a lot of people nowadays, everybody want to make better decisions, everybody want to change their life. People hitting the gym, people changing their diet, people going on these spiritual journeys. And the best way to support that is to change your diet and change what you intake and eat in your life. So when you do that, you helping yourself and help yourself more than you could ever imagine. So this is why I turned to this life, because like I was a pro athlete. I played D1 basketball, I played overseas, and I just seen the difference. So let's just say high school and college, I'm drinking Gatorade, I'm drinking these juices, I'm eating, drinking anything for those calories so I can get them calories up. Now honestly, I was so young, I was good, I couldn't really tell the difference. But when I went overseas, when I went to Eastern Europe, they didn't have all that, you know, they didn't have all the stuff that we have here. Again, we ain't gotta worry about, when I was eating over there, it was basic, it was simple. You know what I'm saying? I was complaining while I was there, but I didn't even realize until I left and I got back that, man, I was having so much energy. I could show how my body looked when I was eating over there. My body was amazing. That was like the prime and the best it's been so far. You know, I'm working on my body now. That's why I'm in the gym now, but that's a whole nother story. But like, I never got the itis. My muscle was amazing. My energy was crazy. And I played the most minutes ever overseas, and I never got tired for real. I was always good. So it's just, I just feel the difference. As soon as I touch back to the US, so I was over there for a year. I come back to the US for the off season, and I start eating from home. I'm just like, I got sick. And anybody that eats overseas and comes back after a while and eat over here, you get sick. Like, it's like you get nauseous or you throw up or you just don't feel right. And it mess up your mental too. So it's just like, damn, you done did all this healing overseas and then you come back immediately fucking yourself up. You get what I'm saying? Because we eat, because of all this bullshit that we got in our food and everything, man, and our lifestyle and our mentalities is all we've been taught wrong this whole time. And never knew it, which is okay, because at the end of the day, knowledge is power, and knowledge is especially power when you apply it and when you use it. So it's okay. It's okay to be ignorant in the beginning. It's okay to start out a certain way and change your ways. That actually would make life more interesting, if you ask me. Oh, my dumb ass. Actually make life more interesting if you ask me. So So now I've been on a serious health journey for about a good 6 years now, straight, like taking it serious. And my awakening has been amazing, man. My spiritual awareness, my body awareness, like I can tell when my body wants something. I can tell when my body don't like something. I can tell when my body's off. You come more in tune with your body when you treat your gut the right. And again, your gut is your other brain. Your gut and your brain is talking to each other all day, every day. 95% of your serotonin is developed in your gut. Serotonin is your happy hormone. You know what I'm saying? So you treating it right. It's feeding the right information. You done cleared up and you're not as clouded. You're not fogged. You're not inflamed. Like you can actually listen to yourself. And you know what a gut instinct is, right? Gut instinct, gut. You know, that's where a lot of your instinct lies. And your instinct never steers you wrong. Never steers you wrong. You can't tell me one time where your instinct lied to you. You can't ever tell me when your instinct was wrong. If you ever said wrong, then it was the wrong voice that was in your head and it had nothing to do with your gut and everything. So, hey, look, y'all, I ain't the best cutter. I just like to get it done, you hear me? But man, I don't know, again, I'm going on and on all day talking about this shit. That's why I ain't want to do too much of a topic, because there's so much that I could talk about, bro. Just go back and forth. But, oh yeah, right here, it's a honeydew melon. It's honeydew melon. So again, you remember I said H3O2? So your body, what is like, your body's what, 60 to 70% water, around that. So people think it's the spring water, which is cool to drink spring water and shit like that, but the real water is the water that's in fruits and vegetables. That's the H3O2. It's called living water. And that's what gives you life. So this is going to hydrate you more than 8 cups of water or 8 bottles of water. This is going to hydrate you way more, and it gives you energy, and it gives you the nutrients that you need while detoxing your body. It's an all-in-one. All from you. Intake of your fruit. Not only give yourself the nutrients, but you hydrating yourself. That's something else I ain't know. But this is all stuff that you learn when you eat to live. When you living to eat, you just thinking about, oh, what's the next thing I'm gonna eat? Oh, I'm gonna try this place. We got this big ass. I'm gonna try this place with the biggest burger. I'm gonna try this food with the spiciest wings. I want to go to this buffet. And I want to go to this steakhouse. You know what I'm saying? That's living to eat. Eating to live is like, damn, I want to try this new fruit. Or I heard about this fruit. I'm gonna try taking this some more, eating this some more, to see how I feel in my body. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause when you eating to live, you notice the benefits of the good food, and then you get to differentiate the bad food from the good food. So when you're looking at bad food, like the fried food, when you look it up, it's like, damn, like this is why I'm sick. You wanna know why you sick? You wanna know why you depressed? You wanna know why you lazy, why you slagging, why you ain't got no energy? It's all because of your diet. That's it. Like, your life will change if you change how you eat. And I'm not talking about no diet that you do for 2 weeks or a month. I'm talking about a whole lifestyle change. Whole lifestyle change. Then change your life. You want more money in your life? Change how you eat. You want peace in your life? Change how you eat. You want to have better people around you? Change how you eat. I'm telling you. So let me go ahead and put some of these in here. So it's definitely been a learning curve, man, because especially with like protein and stuff like that, I don't eat red meat no more for real. So it's been hard to put on weight because I've been going to the gym for a good 2 weeks, 6 days a week the last 2 weeks, and I'm changing my life. And it's been a little bit hard to get protein like from other sources. You know, you can get it from walnuts, hemp seeds and shit like that, but you know, it's been a journey. But fuck it, it comes with it. I'm eating to live, so I know at the end of the day, once I figure it out, I'm good. And I'm in a position to show y'all. What's up? This right here is passion fruit. Yeah. Ooh, that bit's sour. Now, we make it a little fruit bowl, y'all. Y'all want me to keep it 100? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just getting a bunch of different fruit and I'm throwing it together. Not much too more than that. What the fuck did I just say? None much but two more. What? Whatever. But again, there's so many people around me that told me that like I helped change their life or change their path and just better themselves because of my journey. You know, I tell people it's good for them. I definitely tell people it's bad for them and what to stay away from with these harmful ingredients and shit. But I don't tell you what to do. So the fact people tell me is like, damn, bro, you've been changing my life. I changed how I eat because of you, this and the third. It's like, damn, so me bettering myself, me going on this journey, and me taking myself serious is changing everybody around me. And what you mean change? Like what they changing? People losing weight. People is not feeling as clouded or depressed. I got my peoples on this same shit, and they done lost weight. They done got better with their health. Like one got diabetes. You know what I'm saying? It's been helping with that. Like it's just so many more benefits. And when you eat to live, you live longer. If you live to eat, you die sooner. You know, you got your old people be like, oh, they been eating like this for forever. They been eating better food than you. In them 40s, 50s, 60s, they was eating way better than what we eating now because we basically eating all chemicals now. So we not eating the same food. You can eat the same diet that you eat overseas. You gonna be good because they ain't got all that bullshit in there. You eat like that here, 6 feet. 6 feet. No games. You hear me? So I don't promise anything, but I can promise you, if you take your health more serious, it'll change your life for the best. I don't care how great your life is. I don't care how bad your life is. You change how you eat, you change what you intake, you get up on this knowledge and this path, you're gonna change your life for the better in every way possible. I promise you. I don't promise shit, but I promise you that. First of all, don't drink bullshit water like this. Once it heat up, the chemical seeps to the water and it's called forever chemical. And you know, but I'm just using it to just rinse off these berries. But berries, one of the highest antioxidants, one of the best foods that you can eat. Berries. So this raspberry right here, them seeds, gonna treat your gut right. They help you use the bathroom and everything. So speaking of bathroom, you're supposed to be shitting every day. If you shit once every 3 days and 2 days, it's a problem. You need to be shitting. Because your body takes in the good and pushes out the bad. And you're supposed to shit right after you eat, for real. So if you ain't doing that, that's a problem. I guarantee it. So, damn. I'm going to have to show this to y'all next time. This is Sepidilla. It's a brown sugar fruit. This joint's so good, man. But it ain't ripe yet, ain't ready. So it's gonna be hard as hell for no reason. But if you subscribe, I'll show you this next video, cause I'm posting another one tomorrow. But again, berries, y'all just seen raspberry. This is blackberry right here. I ain't gonna lie, I love how dirty my hands getting. They getting dyed by the berries and everything. Speaking of dye, bro, they be putting this. If you ever see red dye, yellow fire, you need that in your food, throw it away. Like damn, like you want something black or blue, just motherfucker use berries or some shit, man. Use some other extract, beet extract, something. But again, the more you know, the better you do. And my thing is, like, look, people should be complaining about all the chemicals that's in our food and everything, but for me, my thing is, it's like, look, do your research. They put the ingredients on the back of the box. Do your research. If you can't pronounce that motherfucker, you shouldn't be eating it. Nigga, that motherfucker say, you can't pronounce the words, you ain't supposed to be eating it. That joint a football roster is like 50 to 100 people. Your ingredients is a football roster. You don't need to be eating. Your food's supposed to be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, bro. It really ain't supposed to be that much, no matter what you eating. And oh yeah, this one of the best in the world right here. Some good old blueberries. I love me some blueberries. I love me some blueberries. Let's see what's going on, man. Man, that bitch is gone. Throw that in there. Look, man, this is a beautiful bowl right here. H3O2. And blueberries is great for your mind. When you speak about your mind, blueberries is exceptional for your mind and your brain. Not only give you antioxidants, everything that you need, but everything more. Look how beautiful this is. Look how pretty that is, man. So look, again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I can go into more details. Y'all got any questions or y'all just want a part 2, just let me know, man, and I'll post it tomorrow. But I love this journey. Being healthy actually changed my life, even put more money in my pocket, because when I started talking about this on IG in particular, it blew the fuck up. And now we got a whole big old following, and we making change one day at a time. So it literally changed my life for the best. I don't know what else to say after that, man. Love y'all. MoHealth, Legends out.
Subscribe to MoHealth for more videos like this.